Dancehall fans are saddened as the news broke that Shenseea is hospitalized in the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe button, and we're going to have a great relationship. Shen Yang Queen is now hospitalized, ladies and gentlemen, in the United States of America. As news broke, dancehall princess Shenseea has been hospitalized, and her followers, friends, and fans took to social media to wish her a speedy recovery. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Run Run singer, 25, made the revelation on her Instagram page November 10th, where she shared a photo of her wristband in the hospital. While not disclosing why she have been admitted into the hospital, Shenseea informed fans and promoters that she would miss out on 4 of her upcoming performances this weekend. Unfortunately, I will not be attending all events this weekend, she wrote to my Shen Yangs and promoter. Please understand, as my health is truly at risk. I'll be out for a while, she added. Ladies and gentlemen, we are wishing Shenseea a speedy recovery. Upon seeing Shenseea's post, several of the industry's top players responded with well wishes to the entertainer for a speedy recovery, including former manager Ramesh Major. Keep strong, mama. We are here for you fully. No one strong like my Shen Yang, he said. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm asking you to, share this, leave your comment, and on a lot of people such as, Lisa, Hannah, others share well wishes, as artist Jada Kingdom, former beauty queen Yandy Phillips. Shenseea has had a hectic couple of weeks. Most recently, she performed Rolling Loud, New York in October. Her Rolling Loud performance came just days after she returned from the United States from the All Africa Festival in Dubai. So she was set to appear on panel discussion titled Destination Global at this year's staging of Sean Diddy Combs Revolution Summit X ATA on Saturday, November 13 in Atlanta. Unfortunately, Shenseea will not be making that appearance because of her hospitalization. I'm hoping that it's just, pure exhaustion, probably a little dehydration because of her travels and her busy schedule that she just went through. So here at Deep Roots TV, I just want to wish the dancehall princess, the Shen Yang Queen, Shenseea, a speedy recovery, and tell fans and friends and the promoters to do the same. Wish her a speedy recovery because the princess has been moving rapidly. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV. I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button if you have not subscribed as yet. Yoganti, and leave your comment. Leave the Shen Yang Queen, the Shen Yang princess, the dancehall princess, a get well soon comment. More life, more joy, more happiness. I'm Rastafari.
Tune in to Deep Roots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jack Webby said that.
So the thing